All right, so I am going to record your videos for Advanced Unit 6 activities. I have contacted ICEV for the Unit 5 pivot table and pivot charts activity. So I'm waiting for them to get back with me as far as maybe having the wrong file. So we're going to start with the conversions file. So it tells me to open up the conversions student file. I'm not going to save anything, so you're just going to save it according to your instructions. Save it like you need to save it. So for your conversions student file, we're converting all of this to this, and so we know we're using the convert function. And I'm going to put the parentheses, and then whatever value it is, in this case is 5, and then from unit to unit, so it's inches, and put it in quotation marks, to centimeters. I don't know what I typed wrong. Oh, I forgot to put the quotation mark, so it's going to correct it for me. So that should be 12.7. So still we're using the convert formula. And this time our value is 10. And we're going from ounces, which is OZM. And so you see how it pops up down here. So that's how I know. And we're going to pounds, which is going to be LB. And so pound mass is here. M, thought it would have been LB, but it's not. So, and then this time we're going to convert 15 miles to kilometers, or and then 20 days. So going back to convert, 20 is our value, quotation mark, day, and then hour. So that should be 480 days, hours. And we're converting again. 12 degrees Celsius. So I'm assuming it's saying Celsius to Fahrenheit. And see, it pops up. Once you get started, you can see those things. And now we're going to do convert again. So this is one of the easier ones for us to do. 2.5 meters to feet. And equal sign, convert. And then our value is 3.5. Pint. Let's try PT for pint. And then gallon is usually GAL. Alright, and then we're going to do convert again. And we're going to convert the value 14. And we know gallon was that. And liters is just the L. So I see that at the bottom down here. So L. And then feet to yards. 14 feet to yards equals convert. Feet, FT. Yard, YD. And then convert again. 16 is our value. Grams to ounces, which we know is OZM. Close parentheses. And that is all you have to do for that one. So just using the convert function. And if you have any questions about that one, let me know.